Hello students, today we are going to start a chapter 4 of the class 5 EVS, and now this chapter name is Let's Clean Together. It's a part of your unit 1, that is our surrounding and culture. Now students, cleanliness is very essential. You have this habit of doing brushing your teeth and taking a bath daily, और अगर आप कुछ दिन skip करते तो you feel so much lethargic in your body, so आप कितना गंदा सा फील करते. यू ऑल फील दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. कभी अगर आप बात नहीं लेते फॉर 1 day or 2 days, सो यू विल बी लाइक फीलिंग वेरी itchiness and like this type of thing in your bodies. Similarly, अगर हम हमारी सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन नहीं रखेंगे, सो आवर सराउंडिंग्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द सराउंडिंग हम भी अच्छा फील नहीं करेंगे. सो ऑन दिस 2nd October, जिस मेघा के स्कूल में there was a clean India mission was going on and they were celebrating this Gandhi Jayanti, and on this day their cleanliness was being carried out all over the India under this Clean India mission, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now cleanliness campaign was also conducted in our school. Okay, in every school this cleanliness campaign was conducted. Now Megha also participated in this cleanliness mission, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and she after doing this work of cleaning the school premises, उसने देखा कि स्कूल बहुत beautiful था, बहुत clean and every was very beautiful around it. So Megha used to go to her went to his home and अपनी mom को बताया कि she learned about this cleanliness program which is conducted in her school, and you know what did she do? She promised her mother कि मैं भी मम्मा आपसे घर में सफाई करवाऊंगी. So you can see there's an image given in your book that's people cleaning a road on this occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, and a neat and clean school after this cleaning. This Clean India mission is a campaign which is started on this national level by Indian government, and it was started on the 2nd October 2014 on Gandhi Jayanti. Now बच्चे इस मिशन के अकॉर्डिंग जो क्लीन रोड्स थी या जो स्ट्रीट्स थे और पब्लिक प्लेसेस है, वो इस मिशन का एम ये था कि वो क्लीन रहेंगी. So you can also see there's a logo of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that is there's a ग्लासेस होते हैं, एनक होती है ना, वो है. दीज आर द एनक्स. जैसे कि आप इस एनक के थ्रू देखें और आपको जब सब कुछ क्लीन दिखता है, ऐसे ही आप अपना इंडिया को क्लीन करें. सो दिस इज अबाउट स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विद यू. Clean India mission must have been conducted in your schools. Okay, you have to make a list of works that you contributed. कि आपने गार्बेज उठाया और you sweep your area, और क्या आपने अपनी तरफ से contribute किया for this Clean India mission, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. आपने क्या contribute किया. Next, what did you learn by participating in this mission? आपको अच्छा लगा, and what did the quality, आप कौन सी quality आपने learn की इस mission में हेल्प करा के और पार्टिसिपेट करके. नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर वर्किंग अंडर दिस क्लीन इंडिया मिशन, इन व्हाट सेंस यू हैव चेंज योर हैबिट्स. बच्चा देखो, एक बार बताओ, क्या सिर्फ 2nd October को ही हमें हमारा इंडिया क्लीन रखना है? नहीं रखना ना, हमें तो हमारा इंडिया 365 days क्लीन रखना है. फॉर दिस क्लीन, मेकिंग दिस आवर इंडिया क्लीन फॉर 365 days, यू हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट एवरी डे. अगर आप एक रैपर चॉकलेट खा रहे हैं, so please don't throw that wrapper on the ground. Take that wrapper and put it in the dustbin. So these are the things that you all have to do. Now what happens is now this Megha, after few days after this Gandhi Jayanti, as I was discussing to you, she was going to her school, and what did she saw कि वो उसने देखा कि कचरे का ढेर पड़ा हुआ है in the street in her locality. And she didn't like it. So when she went to the school and discussed this with her classmate, Megha told them that we keep our houses, schools, etc. very clean, but the streets are so dirty. So what is the use of such cleanliness? So suddenly उसका एक classmate था, Harsh, he said, but this work is not ours. What we can do in this regard? तो स्टूडेंट्स एक बार बताइए कि ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ स्वीपर्स या आपके जो वर्कर्स हैं या आपकी मेड्स हैं, सर्वेंट्स, उनकी होती है कि आपके स्ट्रीट्स या आपके क्लीन कर रखें। आपकी भी तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। अगर आप वो एक रैपर जो चॉकलेट का खा रहे हैं या चिप्स का जो पैकेट है वो अगर आप रोड पे नहीं फेंकेंगे तो गार्बेज नहीं होगा। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट बाय not throwing litter or not throwing garbage, and you are contributing to making your streets and your locality more clean. Okay, यही सवाल तो आता है डर्ट। अगर आप कुछ थ्रो करेंगे गार्बेज तभी गार्बेज इकट्ठा होगा, अगर आप थ्रो ही नहीं करेंगे तो गार्बेज इकट्ठा ही नहीं होगा। ओके, so what should we do to maintain cleanliness in our colonies and roads and etc? Please try to find out कि आप अपनी तरफ से अपनी roads and अपनी streets को किस तरह clean रख सकते हैं। Okay, so who cleans your locality? A sweeper or सब भैया will be coming to clean your locality. Now students, how do they do with the collected waste and where do they take this waste? You know, this waste which is collected by this sweepers and all, they take it to an area, to a dump yard, to a garbage dump yard, and there they carried out this. ना बच्चे, इन लोगों को कितनी डिफिकल्टी फेस करनी पड़ती है। आपसे स्मेल, लाइक आपके अगर कोई पास भी डस्टबिन है या यू हैव दिस, सो यू विल नॉट टचिंग दैट डस्टबिन बिकॉज उसमें से स्मेल आ रही होती है, बट दे पर्सन्स इतना गंदा गंदा कचरा होता है, दे इवन दो बट वो उठाते हैं, उसे साफ करते हैं। सो वी शुड अप्रिशिएट देयर वर्क। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो वन मोर थिंग, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि नाउअडेज कि यहाँ पे गार्बेज वैन आ रही है जिसमें दो पार्टीशन होते हैं, ब्लू एंड अ ग्रीन वन। सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि वो ब्लू और ग्रीन पार्टीशन क्यों है, और आप हमेशा अपना डस्टबिन पे कचरा जो आपका इकट्ठा होता है वो कार्स में ही डाले, सॉरी उन गाड़ियों में ही डाले करें, जिससे कि आपकी लोकेलिटी में कचरा नहीं हो। ओके, सपोज आपके घर में कचरा इकट्ठा हो गया, सो अगर आप उस कचरे में से कुछ ऐसी लिस्ट कुछ कचरे की बनाइए जिससे कि आप रीयूज कर सकते हैं उसे। सो व्हाट यू विल बी दैट, suppose if it is has a cardboard boxes, so you can make that cardboard box into a dustbin. Okay, suppose you have some old clothes, so what you can do, you can make the old clothes into duster, ropes and carpets. Okay, and even if you has this grandmothers and your moms maybe making this pillows out of it and this bed sheets out of it, so many things they are made up. Or if you have this wrappers or chocolates or wrapper of chocolates, chips and you know, maybe water bottles, so you can make some decorative items out of it also. So let's discuss a new thing, that is a beginning. What is this a beginning? We'll be discussing what is this a beginning is. Now what happens today? Today, you know, this Megha, which is this girl of our chapter or heroine of our chapter, she was very happy because her brother and his wife, that is Bhabi, who lived in a city, were coming to her house. So she reached home early, and because they brought many gifts for her, everyone was very happy on their arrival. And after some time, her Bhabi asked about the toilet. And this Megha replied, we do not have a toilet in our home. So Bhabi was like, toilet ही नहीं आपके घर में? So she was like, मैं तो defecate नहीं करूँगी open में, I need this toilet facility. So her Bhabi said that this were her exact words. Students, when we follow this Pardha system inside and outside our homes, then how can we defecate in the open? This is not at all a good thing. So बच्चे एक बार बताइए, this Pardha system, what is this Pardha system? Pardha system, when this lady of the house or of a family cover their face from other males in the family or outside their family. So this is Pardha system. और अगर आप पर्दा सिस्टम फॉलो कर रहे हो और आप वहीं जाके बाहर, you know, you are doing this defecating or you are doing this shouch in the open, so it's like a एक तरह से उसी चीज को जो आप कर रहे हो, आपकी ट्रेडिशन को ही आप क्या कर रहे हो, नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो. सो when this Megha's grandfather listened to her daughter-in-law words, he said, my granddaughter-in-law is absolutely right. Today, call the laborers and start constructing a toilet in the backyard. Okay? Students, so this is how a toilet was constructed in the backyard of Megha's house because of a single comment by us Bhabhi, or of the encouragement that she took. And बच्चा एक चीज बोलना भी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, and she conveys, and उनके grandfather, मेघा के grandfather ने समझी ये बात. So nowadays, these days, government is also providing financial help for constructing toilets. When other villages saw toilet in Megha's house, they also started constructing toilet in their houses. So that's how a tradition, or that's how this facility of toilets is made available in the house, in the village of Megha. Now students, what will be the adverse effect of defecation in the open? अगर आप defecate करेंगे ना बच्चा open में, that is you do this शौच in the open, जो आप शौच आपका जो बाहर पड़ा हुआ है, that's your dirtiness or the waste, human waste जो बाहर पड़ा है, it will create this flies and mosquitoes will be there, and आप बीमार हो जाएंगे जल्दी. So these are the adverse effect of, and you will be getting this various type of diseases like dengue, malaria, and all types of diseases. Okay. Now students, we should always wash our hand after defecations, because अगर आप wash नहीं करेंगे तो आपके hand में germs रह जाएंगे and you will be get ill. So this is the thing that you should keep in your mind. Now there's a few images given in your book of the cleaning equipments. A first machine is of a cleaning machine which you may have seen in the malls. Next is a cleaner with a modern mop. Okay, a clean toilet is given and a neat and clean house is given. Now students, which equipment is the cleaner holding in figure 4? In the figure you can see, so it's a mop. Okay, it's a modern mop which is the cleaner is holding. Now how will the lack of proper cleaning equipment affect cleanliness? अगर आपके पास cleaning equipment ही नहीं है, like you don't have a mop, you don't have a broom, then what happens? आप clean नहीं कर पाएंगे ढंग से. So it's very necessary कि आपके पास proper cleaning equipments हो. Now students, next heading we'll be discussing is cleanliness must be our habit, not show off. Okay. So let me write down the heading, then we'll be discussing about this. Cleanliness must be our habit, not show off. Now students, जो मेघा के brother and sister, they returned from this Chandigarh and they showed her the photographs of the places they visited there. So मेघा ने notice किया कि भाई उन images में जो पूरी city है बहुत clean है, बहुत neat and clean है. And she thought, although our homes are smaller than the city, but they are not cleaner like the city. So एक बार क्या हुआ, उसके brother के friend जिनके यहाँ वो घूमने गए थे, they were visiting there, was planning to stay in the village for some days. So मेघा ने सोचा कि भाई भैया के जो friend होंगे उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लगेगा हमारे गंदे घर में रहने का, और हमारी dirty surroundings हमारे घर की small घर की जो है. So उसने अपनी भाभी से डिस्कस की ये बात, और उनकी भाभी जो थी वो एक रियलिस्टिक पर्सन थी. So she told Megha that it hardly matters कि आप एक बड़े घर में रहते हो या एक छोटे घर में रहते हो. What matters is maintain the cleanliness. आप अपनी cleanliness कितनी अच्छी तरह से maintain कर रहे हो. एक बहुत बड़ा घर है बच्चा और उसमें बिल्कुल cleanliness, तो उसका क्या यूज. और एक छोटा घर, एक छोटा सा रूम ही क्यों नहीं, और आप उसमें maintain कर रखा है अपनी cleanliness, आपने उसे साफ अच्छे से रखा. So it's much beautiful than that a bigger house. Okay. Now besides, cleanliness should not be done to show off. Instead, it should be our habit of cleaning or keeping our surroundings clean. So, okay. So you should always try to keep your houses clean. Now, the next thing is after learning about all this thing about the cleanliness, Megha and her friends came to know about all the facts of cleanliness, and they took the following resolution to maintain cleanliness their habit. Students, I will be discussing what are the resolutions they have taken. So the first resolution that they had taken, we will not throw papers. Okay, students, before starting this, the person who maintains cleanliness is the best person, not the one who spread trash. So repeat with me, and you all will be taking this resolution along with me कि हम हमारी surroundings clean रखेंगे. Okay, let's go. We will not throw paper, pencil shavings, toffee wrappers, etc. in our class. Okay, the next thing, we will not make the furniture, walls and floors dirty by writing on them. Next, we will not spit and litter everywhere. We will take our bath daily and will wear neat and clean clothes. बच्चा अगर आप अपनी पर्सनल क्लीनलीनेस रखेंगे, so your surrounding will automatically will be clean because आपका नेचर डेवलप होता है ऐसे. Next resolution is we will not stop using plastic bags. Okay, next is we will contribute in cleaning our streets, houses, schools and other public places. Next is whenever we will go to buy vegetables, grocery or other household items, we will always carry a bag made of cloth. Students, because plastic bags जो होते हैं, they are very very harmful for our environment. Okay. Now students, there is a special story given about this Gandhiji. Whenever anyone visited Gandhiji's ashram, first of all, he or she was asked to clean the toilets as a part of daily work. If he will complete that work satisfactorily, then any other work was assigned to him. Why this Gandhiji used to make this people who visit the ashram to clean the toilets? Because he think that Gandhiji always give utmost importance to this tidiness and cleanliness. And today in this our country, Clean India Mission has learned that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has been conducted at national level, and under this mission, emphasis is given on keeping our surroundings, that is roads, stations, hospitals, schools, malls, everything clean. Okay. And moreover, this disposal of the trash is also essential by recycling the products. So these are the things that we are doing for making our surroundings clean. So we'll be discussing some questions about this chapter, that is let's clean together. Let me write down the questions for you. Then we'll be discussing that how we'll be answering this question. Okay. So the first question is, make a poster on cleanliness. Okay. Next, write your opinion on Clean India Mission. Next, paste few pictures of cleaning equipments in your scrap book. Next question. This is an interesting one. Okay, watch the movie Toilet. Next question is, हमने जो resolutions लिए हैं, you have to make a poster out of it. Make poster of the resolution we have taken and paste it where you can see every day. The next question is, what okay, why Gandhiji used to make a person clean the toilet first. बच्चे I'll be discussing all the answers for you. Let me write down the questions first. Okay. This is one question that I'm giving you, and it's a very interesting question. Okay. Say thank you to the person who clean your locality or street. Okay. So these are the question I'm giving you. The first question is, you have to make a poster on cleanliness. आप इसके साथ कोई एक simple सा slogan भी add कर सकते हैं. Next, you have to write your opinions on this Clean India mission. Okay? आपके क्या opinions है कि Clean India mission अच्छा है, बुरा है? Okay, all this you have to write. क्या इसकी necessity थी या नहीं थी, इसके ऊपर भी. Okay? Next is, paste few pictures of cleaning equipments in your scrapbooks. Broom, modern mop, cleaning machine, vacuum cleaner. So आप कुछ images लीजिए, net से आप ये images ले सकते हैं. So where you can download the images, you can download the images from download the picture from internet. Okay. Next is, watch the movie Toilet. Toilet is a movie which is made by, and the hero of this movie is Akshay Kumar, I think so. And this movie is based, हमने जो beginning वाली बात पढ़ी थी कि toilets facility नहीं होते villages में. So how this person created this toilet facilities in his village is this is the story. So आप please ये movie देखिए, you will be amazed. आप और interesting भी है, and आपके मम्मी पापा आपको मना भी नहीं कर सकते because आपकी teacher ने बोला है कि you will be watching this movie. So okay, ask your mothers and fathers to take you to watch this movie, or they can bring the CD of this movie and you can watch the movie at homes also. Next is, make a poster of the resolutions we have taken and pasted where you can see every day. हमने जो resolutions लिए ना cleanliness से regarding, that is around, I think they are, how many number? Let me tell you the number. 1, 7 रेजोल्यूशंस हमने लिए, वो 7 रेजोल्यूशंस यू हैव टू राइट एंड मेक अ पोस्टर एंड उसे वहां पेस्ट करिए जहां आप उसे हर दिन देख सके, जिससे कि आपको याद रहे कि व्हाट रेजोल्यूशंस यू हैव टेकन regarding this cleanliness. Okay, next is why Gandhi ji used to make a person clean the toilet first. बच्चा गांधी जी किसी पर्सन से टॉयलेट क्लीन कराने के 2 रीजंस थे होंगे. फर्स्ट रीजंस कि उन्हें ये इंपॉर्टेंस बता सके कि टाइडनेस एंड क्लीननेस कितनी नेसेसरी है, एंड द सेकंड थिंग वो उन्हें ये बता पाए कि भाई कोई भी चीज या कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. ओके, and the last question is say thank you to the person who clean your locality or street. आपकी you will be making them special, you will be making them feel special अगर आप उन्हें thank you बोलेंगे. So it's very necessary कि आप उस person को thank you या उन्हें बताएं कि हम बहुत appreciate करते हैं आप जो काम करते हैं हमारे लिए. Okay, so these are the questions. Please try to do these questions, and this completes the chapter 4. Now we'll be starting the chapter 5.